I want to show you how to create this project tracker in Excel. Let's select this range, then go to Insert and click Checkbox. Now select this other range, and then we are going to enter this if formula that will display completed if all the checkboxes are checked. Otherwise, it's going to display the percentage number if the status is not completed. Let's press Ctrl-Enter to confirm. And now you can see the percentages updating automatically. Click on our tracker and press Ctrl+T to format it as a table. Remove the filters and then press Alt-H-O-I to adjust the width. Go to Table Design and let's add a slicer so we can filter by progress. Change the column number to 5 so we can filter everything. Now select this range, go to Conditional Formatting, click New Rule, and then pick the first cell of our Progress Status column. Press F4 twice and enter Completed. So when we check all the checkboxes, this formatting will apply. And that's it. We now have our dynamic project tracker.
Let's solve together. Put your like and subscribe.